Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. Today we're going to make pancakes, very easy recipe. I'll list down the ingredients down in the description box and also on the screen. I hope you enjoy this video. So guys, this is a very quick recipe. So as for me, I add everything all together and then I will whisk that into a fine smooth batter for my pancakes. And guys, the cinnamon and the nutmeg powder are a game changer in these pancakes. They make the pancakes smell so nice, and very yummy. You can add vanilla essence if you don't have the nutmeg or the cinnamon. So I'll whisk this until I have a fine batter. You can use a hand mixer, that as well is very much easy to use. So after I have my fine batter, not too thin or too runny or too heavy or thick, I'll start frying my pancakes. I'll use my not so non-stick pan a not so non-stick pan. And I think a non-stick pan with pancakes, they go very well. So I'll start frying. I put a little bit of oil in my pancakes, in my frying pan, and then I'll spread that a little bit. And for pancakes, guys, don't you ever turn your pancakes if your pancake is not dry on top. You wait until your pancake dries out and then you turn them, not before that. Unless if you do that, your pancakes will break. You'll have pieces of pancakes. So I'll fry this until it is well cooked, and then I'll continue with the same process until all my butter is done. You add in a little bit of oil, guys, not so much oil, like a drop. So let's continue cooking. Can you be here? Not good alone. I'll be okay. Miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on them. So guys, up to this moment, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something today, and please, if you have, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below. Here we have our very nice pancakes to go with tea and juice and whatever. Thank you so much for watching, guys. God bless you. Bye until next time.